Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March. All right, Freedom just spotted an osprey. Waiting for him to come down. We need the rain badly. And Freedom, you say hi? Oh my God, Freedom, you're so silly. Freedom is my wildlife spotter. Hey, Freedom. Such a good bird. And then we've got, we miss having a mom duck right here on the nest. Okay, here's one Muscovy duck, all white. Here's a brother for a family member. And we got two Pekin ducks. They just had an actual bath in the lake. We gotta find the mom with the duckling. Okay, we got the white ibis here. I don't know what happened to the osprey. Whew. Hey, Freedom. Freedom, where'd the osprey go? Usually he will splash down into the lake. Oh, this could be the mom way over here with the duckling. That's probably the mom over there with the duckling. She's got 7. Yeah, I see the babies. Okay, this is their first. Well, there was a little bit of rain yesterday, so I'll say second rain. Okay, Freedom. You got your little Pekin ducks right here in front of you. Are you excited? Hi, Birdie. Oh my God. All right, signing off with Freedom. Good period. Have a great day.